everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you're back, and if you aren't a subscriber yet, what are you doing? Go on, hit that subscribe button. I know you want to hit it. Now go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you don't forget to click that bell as well. You know why? This way you will be notified immediately whenever I post these cool new videos, right? All right, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Now, if you like this beautiful smoky blue look, then stick around and I'll show you how you can achieve it. See you in a bit. For the eyeshadow to really pop, I applied a MAC Pro Longwear paint pot and I use a beauty blender to even it all out. Next, as a base for the paint pot, I use the Naked Urban Decay Basic Eyeshadow Palette in the very light nude matte shade. Just blend it back and forth with the E40 blending brush. Now I'm using the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette in the Baltimore color shade. I use the E54 brush to pack on the shade. I keep placing on the shade color until I have enough on my eyelid. All I do is just pack it on to get enough of the eyeshadow shade on there. Next, I use the Sigma E20 brush to press the eyeshadow close to the crease of my eye to give it that precise, smooth finish. I do the other eye as well to make sure that both eyes are evenly done. With the E65 brush, I make my eyes really pop by emphasizing my eyelid crease with the color Heart Magic from the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. I blend it out back and forth with the E40 brush for a smooth and even finish. I use the Naked Urban Decay palette again in the Fade shade. Using the E47 brush, I go back and forth in a circular motion. To make my eyes pop even more, I use the BH Cosmetics Party Girl eyeshadow palette in the dark brown shade. To blend it even further, I use the E40 brush to smooth it all out. I keep going back and forth to smooth it all out and get an even finish look. Now it has an even smooth finish. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Cream to draw my winged eyeliner. With the E20 brush, I gently smudge the Fade shade onto my lower lash line to complete the smoky eye look. I do the same with the other lower lash line as well. By looking upwards, I can apply it easily. Off camera, I put eyelashes on, and then I apply the Venus shade color onto my brow bone to complete the look. All right, everybody, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I had a blast making it. I love the blue color. It's just amazing. I love how it brings out my eyes, and the color do pop out really well. So if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Now, I have a surprise for you guys. I am giving away a 100 American Express gift card as a giveaway. Now, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and also let me know what type of videos you would like to see. So if you would like to participate, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let me know down below what you would like to see. Until next time, have a fantastic day. Bye, everybody.